Want faster browsing on your phone without installing anything? Try this simple DNS trick. It takes less than a minute and can boost your internet speed. Watch till the end so you don't miss any steps. First, open the Settings app on your device. Now tap on Wi-Fi. Look for the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to, and then tap the small I icon or info icon next to it. You'll now be on the network details page. Scroll down until you see DNS. Tap on Configure DNS. By default, it might be set to automatic. Change it to manual. Now tap Add Server and enter the DNS addresses you want to use. Some great options are 1.11.1 Cloudflare, super fast and privacy friendly, 8.8.88 or 8.8.4.4 Google DNS, reliable and fast. You can enter more than one if you like. At the top right, tap Save to apply the changes. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future internet speed tips like this. Now open your browser and try visiting a few websites. You should notice pages loading a little faster, especially if your default DNS was slow before. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if this worked for you, and let me know what tech tricks you want to see next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.